Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Threads apps. So as we know, Threads is where communities come together to discuss everything from the topics you care about today to what will be trending tomorrow. So how you can download it? You can open the Google Play or App Store and you can just type on the search bar Thread and appears the Threads apps. So just click on it and click get to start downloading. So after you download it, you can click open to launch this app. So you can log in with your Instagram account if you have an Instagram account. But if you don't have an Instagram account, you have to create the account. So you can log in with another Instagram account. So after you log in, you are just going to start the Threads. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.